Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app that pays you $50 an hour to watch videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really is going to help out my channel, and it's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now, this method, all you need is your cell phone with an internet connection and you're good to go. And this is worldwide, guys. Anybody around the world can do this method. All right, guys, so please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at the Google Play Store, and I put up this app called Mind Swarms. So this is the app you're going to use to get paid $50 an hour. Now, let me go ahead and tell you everything about this app, and I'm going to show these screenshots that they have down here so you can get a visual of what you're going to be getting into once you download this app and start making money. So it says here, check the home screen for available studies. So these are the studies that you're going to get. So what it is, guys, this app is going to pay you to answer a few questions. And these questions are studies. And they're going to pay you to answer these studies. So like this one right here, what's new in fashion? And they're going to pay you $50 for that. And this one, the ultimate ride sharing app. They're going to ask you a few questions and you give your response on there, and you get paid $25 on that. And then they have some even higher than $50. As you can see here, $125. Motivating recent grads. So it's going to be some simple little questions in this study that you're going to have to answer. Now, you're going to be answering these studies, which I'm going to show you in a minute, through video. So let's go to the next screen. So apply for studies by completing a quick survey. So you're going to be answering these quick surveys, guys, to get the studies. So they're going to ask you questions like about your favorite TV shows, websites, mobile apps, and things like that. And you just choose which one that you're interested in. So like it says here, which of the following sources helps you keep up with the latest fashion trends? So you just pick any one of these. There's no right answer, right or wrong answer. This is just what you like. So, or what you do to keep up with these fashions. So this one, like this person, whoever did it, they pick fashion TV shows or style websites and mobile apps. So that's how that works. So let me go to the next slide. So this one right here, this is what you're going to receive, the notifications for the studies. So once you accept it, because you're going to have to apply for this to get accepted. Once you accept it, they're going to start sending you notifications of the studies that you're going to be part of and get paid for answering a certain question. Now, this is the video I was telling you about. So you're going to be able to record a 7 to 60 second video response to complete a typical study. So as you can see, this person just using a phone, just recording a little video, and it's not even that long, guys. 7 to 60 seconds. If you don't like being on camera, it's okay. It's going to just only take a minute for you to be on there. So you don't have to be on there all day. You're just giving your thoughts on the study. So after you do that, you're going to submit your study responses and get paid via PayPal. Check this out, guys, in 24 hours. How about that? 24 hours, guys. You don't have to wait 2 days, 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, and 24 hours. And you can refer friends to studies and they earn too. So guys, this is a good opportunity for you to make some money and your friends to make some money. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.9. So almost 4.0 in the rating. I always say 4.0 on up is good, but it's close to it. So this is a good enough app, guys, because it's 3.9. That's still pretty good. Now let's read a review. So this person right here named Stephanie, she said, "This app is totally legit and I can't believe it. I had so much fun completing tasks, and once I was finished, it was approved and I had $50 sent to my PayPal later that same day. This is absolutely incredible." So this person got their money before 24 hours. So guys, you're going to get paid fast. Like I told you before, you're going to get paid fast. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. This is a great app for you to download and start making some money. Just answering simple little questions, giving your thoughts, and making a little 60-second video. How easy is that? So if you're ready to start making some money with this app, go ahead and go to Mind Swarms in the Google Play Store. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Before you go, let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is this. Type this that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in the comment section. If you put that down in the comment section, it's going to increase your chances in winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, guys. I'm sorry. We're almost there. So keep hitting that like button, keep sharing, and keep watching these videos. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a shout out. I'm going to pop the comment on the screen right about now. Appreciate you. Appreciate your comment. Thank you. Thank you. Now, if you guys want to get a shout out where I show your comment on the screen, please leave a creative comment down in the comments below and you might get a shout out in my next video. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Let's go road to 6,000 subscribers. Let's get there this month of April. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 yeah.